Every realtor I know is using AI right now, but almost none of them are actually using AI to make money. They're using it to write emails, clean up listing photos, and the one thing that AI could help them really do, which is put them in front of people who are ready to sell now, they're completely ignoring it. So let me show you the difference. The thing you should ask yourself is not what are the best tools now to use AI and save time. You should ask yourself to look at the few key activities that are actually getting you more leads, more appointments, and more listings. So for example, if you do cold calling and that's how you get your business, then there's only so many hours in a day where you can go ahead and cold call. Maybe you dedicate 2, 3, 4 hours a day to cold calling your expireds, your for sale by owners. So your bottleneck is time, but with the right AI caller, you could buy back that time. And instead of hiring a team of ISA or cold callers, that AI could be doing some of the work for you. Maybe not all of it, but part of it. Or another way, if you get all your clients from ads, then maybe the bottleneck that you're facing is you're not recording enough ads or as many ads as you'd like. So then it would make sense to have an AI avatar of yourself, like a clone, to record videos on your behalf. It sounds like you, it looks like you. It's basically your digital twin. And then creating as many ads as you'd want with that one AI avatar. So the number one thing I hear by far by most agents that come to me to get help to get more listings is, Michael, this is all great, this AI stuff, this tech stuff, but I'm not really techy. I didn't grow up with computers like you did. Well, the good news is you don't have to be techy to start using AI to get more listings. You see, you can do now in minutes what used to take hours, and you can do it all by yourself with free softwares, which, before going back 3, 4, 5 years, you would have needed to hire a team or a few key employees to do that stuff for you. Let me give you an example. So now with AI, it can do the actual research, the market research for you. If you're trying to find a great niche that would not be too saturated in your market, or maybe you're trying to find the perfect market, you're open to 3, 4 key cities, but you're not really sure which one should you focus on. The AI can actually do a deep research and tell you the numbers that you need to know in order to make that decision and focus on that one market. Then once you know which market to focus on, you can do the same thing to get your niche, whether it's a seller, a buyer, or what I call sub niches. So someone looking at downsize, upsize, invest, people that are looking for assisted living, for example, that could be another great niche. Once you have your sub niche or your niche and then your market, then how do you actually get more clients? Then that's when you can create an AI to script out your ad. A 30-second long message that will be well crafted, that will resonate to their fears, their desires of that sub niche. Then from there, you can utilize AI to clone yourself, to create an AI avatar of you, all with free softwares, with 0 tech skills, once again. So once you have your script, you have your AI avatar, it can record the actual script that you give it to. It can also edit the entire video in less than 5 minutes. All you need is a simple prompt, copy and paste, that's it. Then you can also have AI create your landing pages, all your funnels with different pages. It can all be branded to you, your logos, and how you would brand yourself online. Then once you launch that ad, you start to get leads coming in through your forms, through your funnels. You still need to reach out to them, right? But let's say you're out and about, you're doing something, you're living your life, right? Then in order to be able to get that speed to lead that will drastically improve your conversion rate, you can have an AI texter or an AI caller to contact your leads as soon as possible. Now, don't get me wrong. AI is not going to do and run your entire business for you. You'll still have to be a good agent and you'll still need to talk with your leads. At the end of the day, they're trusting you with the biggest transaction of their life. Another way for you to make money inside your real estate business with AI is to use ChatGPT ads and what we now call AEO, Answer Engine Optimization. So here's what you need to know. People don't just Google anymore when they're doing their searches. They're gonna ask ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, all these different LLMs for things like who's the best agent in my city, or how much should my property sell for in today's market. right? Different keywords like this that they would typically search for on Google only. But here's the thing. If you do it right, you can now show up in the search results when someone is asking ChatGPT those questions, and they can start recommending you. You could start being recommended by ChatGPT and all these AI platforms. There are two ways to go about it. First is the paid ads route, and second is the organic route. It's free. So the paid ads, simple as it is, you run an ad that's sponsored for certain keywords. So for example, let's say I'm in Denver and I'm a homeowner and I'm looking to sell my house. And if I ask ChatGPT who's the best agent I should list with, then ChatGPT can recommend you as an agent if you're working in Denver, because it'll recognize a certain keywords and then you'll show up as a sponsored message, as a sponsored agent there. Okay, now you got to play, right? So the minimum right now, it's $20 a day in order to advertise on ChatGPT. And they're brand new. So if you go back 2, 3, 4, 5 months, they were not there. If you're one of the first few to jump on them, it will be exactly like it was back in 2008 with Zillow, right? No competition, you get the best leads, and then it becomes harder to get in if you wait longer. Or back in 2008 when Facebook ads were out and nobody kind of did them that heavily. The key with this is to get in on those ads and start ranking on ChatGPT right now. You see, there is such a thing as jumping on the right trends at the right time. And if you invested $1,000, just $1,000 of your savings 15 years ago into Bitcoin, today you'd be a billionaire. So that goes to show how quickly things can change nowadays, especially with AI and social media. So if you want to start appearing on ChatGPT results when somebody in your market is asking for who's the best realtor in my area, and you don't have $20 a day to spend on ads yet, the other way to rank there for free is through what we call AEO, Answer Engine Optimization. It's kind of like the new SEO. So back in the days, the SEO route was to rank your website, or the goal at least was to rank #1 organically when someone would type real estate agent Denver, for example. Now, AEO is the goal is to have the AI platforms start recommending you naturally, organically, without you having to pay for that. The best way for you to start is to create one article a day, and you can also have Claude start writing it for you. A simple, well-optimized article. And the key here is that it needs to be optimized for the AI platform so that they can read it properly, they can understand it exactly everything it needs to know to start pushing you in search results. Then there's more complicated things you can do later on, like with offsite and onsite links, just like with SEO. So surface level AI will save you time, but income level AI will help you get leads and make more money from it. So don't just grab the new AI tool just because it's hot or it's trendy or everybody in your office is using it. Stop and ask yourself, hey, what is the few key things I could do inside my business that would help me get to that next level? And then from there, once you have those things, look for softwares that can help you execute faster and do more volume. So if you want to see exactly how to set this up for your own business and start getting listings with it, I'm hosting a free live training coming up very soon that will show you the exact system step by step. Just click the link in the description down below and save your seat.